Look what I found. Does anybody know what these are? I think the aficionados are going to be screaming. I found two of them. I don't know what else is fermented in there, but something else is. Oh, R380. That might well be coming to me. Come to me. I think could be some rubbers in there, but we'll have a look. Anyway, for the people who know what this is, they're going to say, that's a Jaguar Quadrant. Yep, you're right, it is. That's one, bloody two. They're the bloody same. Well, there you go. I got two of them. That one might be seized. This one seems a bit more freer than that one, but this one's a bit tight, so I don't know. But anyway, we're not gonna worry, because I actually didn't want to use this. I actually got a Barrett one with a cable one, but it isn't here. I got two of these, so one's gone on the car. One is actually off my car's got one of these actually. My Roadster's got one, so so my Roadster's actually got one. So these actually came off of two other cars I own. If you haven't seen the cars, then I can't talk to you about them. So you've not seen them, they're not here. But these are two Quadrants, and I'm going to use one in this car. I'm going to free one off, and I'm going to use one. I know you're going to say to me, they're different. Can you see they're different? Right, they are different. That is a Series 1. This, I have no idea. It got to be their E-Type, definitely. Maybe that's Series 2 or Series 3. I don't know. But either way, that one's got adjustment. These haven't. These are fixed. These are fixed length. See, these are fixed. They're not. So some guru's going to tell me, without me going back into my delves of time after I haven't drank as much, I can't remember. But that is Series 1. This, I don't know. This could be, that could be Series 2, 3, or could be anything for us. It's certainly E-Type, but it's not early E-Type, because early E-Type's got that adjustment. So anyway, we're going to say two of those in stock, so we don't need to buy, although we have got a Barrett one we've already bought, which is coming from a friend of mine, along with some other stuff. Rear hubs are done, wheel bearings are done, cleaned up, drive shaft's done. I get my disc in a minute. I found the fulcrum bearings, found enough bits to do maybe one side. I'm going to find some shocks possibly in a minute. I'm going to have a look round for shocks. Right, guys, you can't see too much here, can you? Can't see anything, actually. Right, you can. We're in the E-Type stores shed. We still haven't got a left-hand spinner, but we have found some brake drums. There's a pair. Right, so there's a pair. And there is an odd one. So the odd one seems a bit bigger than these other ones. Yeah. So that one is bigger. So that one is more intense. So there's our covers. There's our disc. Right, how much? Yeah, they're all rusted and hideous, but they'll be cleaned up. They'll be fine. We also have found one of these, whatever this is. We found a fulcrum. Oh, so we got one of those. So that can go with it as well. But I know there's some more stuff in here. What annoys me is I know in here somewhere, and you guys are all looking, because you're all going, oh, what's that? In here, there is actually an awful lot more E-Type parts for my car. For the minute, guys, there's our discs. There's another of those which we brought just because we found it. But there's our discs. There's where we put this. Is that alright? Yes, we good enough. Come on, look. Listen, nobody ever said this was going to be perfect, did they? Did I ever tell you this was going to be like a concours winner? It's using everything I can that's original to it, and everything I can't that I can't use. So these discs, that 377 axle, I can't use 377. I mean, Jesus Christ, that's ridiculous. I mean, so So the 354 axle, which is correct, slightly low geared. The discs off of the 377 have now come up to go on this one. The calipers are obviously going back on, but there's an odd caliper because I've lost one.